What's up, gang? Happy Friday. I hope everybody is doing well on this beautiful, beautiful day of love, Friday. I am so excited. So, y'all know I've been talking about this surprise and everything that I've had coming you all's way, and just thank you guys for the support that you guys have been giving me, the endless support. Thank you. I'm so grateful. So I am ready to show y'all my special surprise today on this glorious Friday. It was no better day than to do it on a day of love. So without further ado, gang, Mystic Love is here. Yay! I'm so excited for this deck, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. It is the Mystic. Let me get it up a little closer. The Mystic Love Oracle deck, y'all. I'm so excited about this deck. It is my official second deck. You guys can kind of see how thick it is. I'm going to open it up. So this is going to be my first time opening this deck in front of you all. I'm going to go through each card, just like I did with my very first beautiful deck, Mama Magical Oracle deck. So this is my second deck, my official second deck. And I just want to continue to thank you guys. You guys have supported me and encouraged me. I'm going to have so much more to come. I'm not taking the foot off the gas, y'all. So I'm excited. Let's get this deck open. I'm going to open it from the side, y'all, because I don't want to make no mistakes. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. Let's get this thing open. So I hope you guys enjoy this deck as much as you all have enjoyed the first one. And I know you will. I know you will, because I took so much consideration for you guys when I created this deck. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my God, that's Mama Magical. Okay, so let's open up. Well, let's flip open the first card. So the first card is financial security. Oh, and not only do these cards have words and keywords, I also made statement cards as well. So you're going to see what I mean as we go through this deck. So financial security is the first card. I always ask Mama Magical, will this relationship support me financially? It'll let you know. Sacrifice and compromise may possibly make things better is the key word. So sacrifices and compromising. The third card is they might come back. In the meantime, move forward. You can't be stuck and worried about who's going to come back and who's not. Attachment. So this just self-explanatory. Attachments, usually codependency. Focus on yourself in this moment. Is this what you truly want? So these are the statement cards, y'all, that I was talking about. Things will change for the better. It's going to get spicier, y'all. I promise. I told you. Y'all know Mama Magical. Sneaky. Self-explanatory. Attraction. Flirting. Healing is needed. I got the zodiacs in here. Air sign. So this could be an Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Water sign, Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer. You're not the only one. Just so you know, child. You ain't the only one. Then we have not the one. Periods. The one, of course. At least for now. Delusional. Reflection. So this just means you might have to reflect on some things in your relationships. Mutual feelings. The feelings are mutual. Listen more. Understanding is needed. Baby. Baby on the way, possibly. Messages, texts, inboxes, or DMs. Then we have the perfect chemistry. Bad intentions. Good intentions. So I tried to make an opposite for each card. Regretful and apologetic. Jealousy. Y'all knew I had to do a red flag card now. Red flag card. Rebound. Seduction. Missing you, thinking of you. Mama Magical, is he missing me? Commitment. Karmic energy. This could be good or bad. Truth. Believe it. Lies, games, and deceits. Someone new, either for you or for them. This love is true. Divorce. So this can talk about separations and breakups. Marriage, or the person could be married. Pay very close attention. Because they might have been fucking. Just saying. So we have a future card. You know I have to throw some of my timelines in. Also, this deck will be very complimentary to the first deck. So if you have the first deck, please feel free to use it in combination with the Mama Magical Oracle deck. Present or currently happening. Past. I want you back. Or I want you. This is just for fun. This is just a fun time. Don't take it too serious. Short-term commitment. Here for a good time, not a long time. Long-term commitments. Stay for now. It's over. It's time to go. Go now. This is a warning. Crazy as hell. Lessons. No. Have to put my yes and no cards in here. Yes. Risky. Man, an energy of a man. Woman, a woman or energy of a woman. Bisexual. This person may go both ways. And then the card that I dedicated to you guys. So I'm so excited. The card says, explore the mysteries of love with Mama Magical's new creation, the Mystic Love Oracle deck. Whether you are searching for guidance or simply drawn to its energy, trust that this deck has found you for a reason. Use it as a tool to safely navigate your spiritual journey and unlock the secrets of love and beyond. Mama Magical. I'm so excited, guys. I had to do it. I had to open this deck for the first time with you all. It is definitely up for pre-sale today. So jump on that, guys. It will be on my website for pre-sale at magicalflowerstarot.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed the deck. I really sat down and I thought about all the questions that you guys asked me when you book love readings for me and even on the live readings. So I tried to make sure that it was a card for just anything that you can ask about love. Is he cheating? Does he like someone else? Does he miss me? Is this long term? Is it short term? Red flag? I tried to think about all of those things. So love you guys. Please enjoy the deck. Take advantage of the pre-sale. And I'll see you guys next time. Ashe.